You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, a name from Arabic. So we need to listen and learn the Arabic pronunciation. If you want to learn the boys' version of this name or other names, stay tuned. Saida, Arabic pronunciation, Saida. English pronunciation is similar as Saida, Saida. Do you pronounce it any other ways? What's your way of pronouncing it? What's your pronunciation, and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.